kids, welcome back. I am Ami ma'am. Have you tried the activity at home? Okay, today I will give you the solutions of the worksheet of pre-number concept front, back. But before that, let us do the recap of front, back. Front side of the hand, back side of the hand, front side of the TV remote, back side of the TV remote, front side of the doll, back side of the doll, front side of the lunch box, back side of the lunch box, front cover of the coloring book, back cover of the coloring book. Now, this is front side of the frock and this is back side of the frock. Now, this is front side of the cat and this is back side of the cat. Kids, are you ready with your worksheets? Now, I will show you the solutions.
See, I have matched all the pictures with a red line. See, the first picture, front side of the dog with the back side of the dog. Front side of the elephant I have matched with back side of the elephant. Front side of the giraffe with the back side of the giraffe. Front side of the pig with the back side of the pig. See, now this worksheet. Can you see the picture? It is the front side of the boy and the back side of the boy. You had to tick in the front side of the boy. So see, I have ticked in front side of the boy. In the next picture, you had to tick in the back side. And which is this picture? It is the front side of the girl and back side of the girl. So I have ticked in back side of the girl.
So kids, enjoyed watching all the 3 sessions? Thank you. Bye.